The common man also feels the heat but is helpless. The tourists find it embarrassing. Okay, it is an embarrassment for the tourists also. I suggest the authorities. Now see children, we have finished the vital information, the vital inputs. We have already told the authorities that beggar menace is posing a lot of problems. They are cursing, they want money, they are stopping the cars, the tourists are embarrassed, all the people, even the common man also feels it, but the common man cannot become brutal and hit them back. So it is against the norms and ethics of a civilized person. Okay, you may write whatever you wish to write, but that will constitute the main frame of your letter. Now we will conclude. The conclusion is, I suggest the authorities, I just suggest the authorities to look into the matter. I suggest the authorities to look into the matter and ensure that the city gets rid of beggar menace ASAP. Of course, ASAP means as soon as possible. And you will end it very, very nicely. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Arnav Goswami. You may write whatever name you wish to write. I am just writing this, whatever came in my mind I wrote it. So today we discussed how to write a formal letter and how to write an informal letter. Today I have already discussed a sample, one sample of a formal letter, and I plan to discuss one sample of an informal letter also. Okay, one sample of an informal letter also. So I am going to rub it. Now we are going to have a very beautiful informal letter. This just we wrote a formal letter. Write a letter to your friend describing a match you witnessed at the JSCA Stadium, Ranchi. Okay, in this you will just put down your name, your address. You are not going to put the address of your friend. Then you will write down the date and then you will start ekdam. You just have to start. For example, you live at an apartment called Ashirwad. Ashirwad is at Golok complex. Suppose your flat number is B7, Main Road, Ranchi. You just don't have to do anything. You just put the date. 7th July 2020. And now you will just start. Dear friend. Dear friend. You just start like that. Okay? And you may come to your point as quickly as possible, so that nowadays letters should be short and crisp. I want to share my experiences or my experience of a cricket match which I witnessed yesterday at the JSCA Stadium, Ranchi. It means your introduction is over. Your introduction is over. Now you come to the body of letter. You will write down to the minute intricacies. All those minute intricacies are to be imbibed in this letter to the fullest, so that when he reads, he knows what you are wanting to convey. You will write down, the match was between India and England. We won the toss and elected to bat. Now see, children, you may write down everything. The atmosphere of the stadium was electrifying. Everyone was excited, super excited. I witnessed the toss. Our captain won the toss. We were very happy. We chose to bat. And then we posed a very imposing total on the scoreboard. We made 346 runs in the stipulated 50 overs. Okay? I'm rubbing it. In the stipulated 50 overs. It was a nail-biting finish. I am writing it in a very short form, but you are supposed to write in at least one full page. It was a nail-biting finish as the Proteas were all out for 343 runs in 48.4 overs. I was really thrilled. I hope it's all over. I hope you will also share your experience with me in your next letter about anything new in your life. Okay? Your loving friend. And here you may say bye if you wish. It's all okay because he is your friend, your loving friend. Here you may write Dwarka Lal Dvivedi. Okay? So this was a very nice, very beautiful informal letter, and I have written it short. The body can be extended as much as possible, but then try to make it short and crisp. At least 60 to 70 words should be there in the body. At least you may take it 100 also, and you may start with 20-30 words, end with again 30 words, and then at last you have to sign out. That is called the transcription of the letter. So today we have already finished. Letter writing. We have finished how to write a formal letter, and we have finished how to write an informal letter, and then we have done one sample each of formal and informal letters. Okay, I am going to rub it, and today I am going to give you one homework. Okay, homework is very important. This homework is very important. You will take down your English language classwork copies, and in your English language classwork copies you will write down at least, you may increase the number also, at least 50 idioms, phrases, synonyms, antonyms, homonyms, similes. If all these things are present in your English language books, you will write down the first 50 at least of idioms, of phrases, of synonyms, of antonyms, of homonyms, of similes, all those things. Or one word substitution if they have given, if it is mentioned, or one word substitution, because this is going to enhance your vocabulary. This is going to enhance your vocabulary. So if you are able to enhance your vocabulary, you can compose your letter, or you may compose your essay in your own words, crisp words, appealing words, eye-catching words, and so that you can score more. So you have to enhance your vocabulary, more words, more word power, and more beautifully expressed composition. So these are very important things, and these things are to be written and learnt by heart. Learn by heart also. You have to learn all these things by heart. Okay, write this down, all of you, all the boys of standard 8, at least 50. If you wish, you may write 100, you may write 200. You may consider your Google or encyclopedia. You may consider more books of class 10, 11 and 12 and take it to 100 or 200 or 300 also. This is for your own personal good and your benefit. Okay, so this is going to be your homework.